Hello, teacher. Today I want to talk about my anecdotes that I had in my childhood. For example, once upon a time, when I was a child, I liked meet with my friends because we were many children. We had been playing football for more than 50 minutes when the neighbor owner of the field went out of his house and made us run off field. These things had happened all day. In my house, my aunt, when she made the cleanliness of all house, and the floor appeared very bright because we had been shining the floor for all day. My pet had been living with us for 15 years when he died for elder, but he offered us its fidelity and attention for many years. Since that time, my friends and me have met us for more than 15 years for remember these moments unforgettable, of course. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.